Going on, Bigfoot world? We out here again. Today we got Money Mike and me, of course.
What's up, people?
But today's a rainy, miserable day, and we decided to come down here to the old spot, see what all changed, see what's going on. Right now it's hunting season. We're in the middle of hunting season, and so everything we suspected, everything's going to be hiding down here. It's going to be hard to track them during. Oh my God!
Yo.
Get next to me, Mike.
Yo, he's way over there.
Yeah, he's over there.
I just see that tree fall.
We just had a tree push over, guys. And as soon as I turn this on, probably because we're talking.
Fall.
I know, just hold on. I want to show this first and then we'll walk over that way.
That's crazy.
Guys, we just had a tree push over, but it could have been a bear. So let's just make sure we know what it is before. Hold on, Mike. But we was going to wait till we got down into the ravine. But this caught my eye right here. And I wanted to show you guys. You got bark there lined up, along with the double X's right there. There's something up there moving now.
That was crazy.
I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in and see what we see, Mike. Man, I love this camera. Chris, man, I can't thank you enough. Something up that way, just push a tree over.
Yo, just fall down and ready and just.
See nothing. But we're gonna start this video right here. Everything just happened. I never expected me to turn on the camera and have a tree just push over while the camera's running, but it happened. Like me and Mike were by ourselves today. It's just. All right, let's walk down that way. See what. Pay attention, Mike. Stay on this side over here of me. Pay attention for any noise.
Oh, look at this one today.
Basically wanted to come into the old spot to see what all changed up here. It just pushed a tree down up here, man. It's got me on edge, but
that was crazy. It was just really good. Yeah, it was really good that too.
they're up there working.
I'm going to see what it was.
You want to walk up there, Mike?
Yeah.
Look at that. All the bark stripped down.
That was crazy.
Clean. It's leaned up there. See the bark stripped down on it. It's all cleaned off. The bark's hanging drying. I say despite, wrong way. I say despite the hunting, they're still in here working. I think they would go underground or go into private property areas. Like the deer, they tend to push to the wood line during hunting season. And the hunters push on in to the forest. Before we move on, guys, this is definitely
Bigfoot.
Definitely Bigfoot. I just noticed this, Mike.
Like you just push
These trees are just wedged in there.
I think they're trying to make a gate or something, so.
Look how that is.
Look at that one, it's fresh.
Wedged in between there, two of them, top. And it's right here at the mark where we start cutting down into the ravine. It's like they're blocking this, barricading this off. And Chris, another thing, man, I noticed in the last two videos I pronounced your name wrong. It's Christopher Noel, and I'm still probably doing it. I apologize for that. I'm not good with names.
Thought I see something down there.
And I appreciate this camera because, man, I can't believe it. I can't believe how well zoomed. We're going to catch something with this. He made our job so much easier with this. So now when we get activity, you guys will see everything that we see.
It can hurt.
Yeah. So that's definitely an upgrade for the team. I thank you. It's just standing there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just hanging there. It's hooked on a limb.
I didn't see that right there.
Walking on in. There's a fresh break over that way. There is some fresh breaks, snaps, leans that wasn't here the last trip here. About took a fall.
Yeah.
This puddle right here, about lost my quad in.
I think it was dirt bike.
Yeah, the dirt bike, you're right. Me and Mike, we coming through here.
Yeah.
And as soon as I got out into the middle here, my whole bike just went underwater. It was a nightmare. My chain popped underwater. It was
crazy.
It was a mess. And while we was over there, we was trying to get the chain back on. There was crashing and stuff moving up here on us. And I was like petrified because I was pretty much stranded. No weapons, no nothing. There were grunts and noises up there. But that's the story. I want to get everything on video. You guys are hard when it comes to proving things, so from now on we shouldn't have no, but that's twisted. Problem proving with this camera. We definitely will do that. Oh, that's crisscrossed up there. We wasn't even going to come out today, guys. We woke up this morning, it was just miserable.
Yeah.
It was pouring down raining. Told Fred, man, we just ain't even going to do nothing this week. It's just going to be too muddy.
We just finally came out.
But I had to. I could not. I'd rather come out and deal with the rain than stay at home.
Yeah.
You never know what you're going to see until you go. And this is the only day we can really go because of hunting. Check out down over the hill. This is, oh, there's a baby frog.
Where?
He just jumped in. I ain't gonna be able to catch that one.
They're out there.
It's raining, that's why.
Look at this. They're stuck in the ground.
Antenna rod stuck in the ground, that's different. That's probably human.
Yeah, probably.
But like I was saying, this is the old creek bed we're following down in to the forest, down into the ravine. I usually wait till I hit the ravine before I start filming, but I seen that
You see that tree pushed down.
that
That's
tree
crazy.
over there,
It would happen right in front of us too.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I seen it wash down, just push down. That's crazy. I was surprised it did that.
They'll probably follow us throughout the day. So whatever is following us, we'll get him on. Ah, there's the crows. They're old trusty crows. And that's over there where the tree was pushed over at. So we'll cut up across there on the way back through, guys. See what we see. I see something up there by that rock, Mike. That rock face up there. I'm gonna go up here and zoom in on it. See if I get a better angle. Hold on, Mike. Way in between that tree there. Between that tree. Just a hole. I hear it snapping behind me. But that snapping could be anything coming from down below. Over, look, Mike. See if I can get him on film.
What is it? Oh.
See? Salamander. Sorry guys, I know that's boring, but it's nature. Oh. I just seen something behind something. I just seen something that wasn't right and I can't spot it again. It's like I looked up, I spotted it and my eyes went off of it. Now I can't see it. I hate when that happens. Looked like a figure behind a bush, what it looked like, but now I can't find the spot that I was looking at. Nonetheless, it's a miserable day, guys. It's messy, muddy. That could be another reason why the tree fell over. Could have just fell over naturally from the ground being wet. I'm gonna just be quiet here for a couple minutes, guys, and see what we hear and what's around us. We're getting close to the ravine. I like to kind of sneak up on that ravine, see what's down at the bottom. A couple years ago, Carrie filmed the mom and a baby and a little 4-foot one. That's still to this day, guys, is the clearest Bigfoot pictures I've ever seen. I'm not saying them because she took them, they're ours or whatever, but still to today, even little Patty, still to this day, them Bigfoot pictures is the best I've ever seen. Alright, over there is the ravine. Look what you're passing up. This marks the ravines right over there. But over here there's more structures I want to come and look at.
The X's.
Let's go over and check it out.
There's not too much water in it.
Oh, the pictures I was talking about, you can check them out on Facebook, Into the Woods with Jeff. She caught him right over there. They were sitting on the bank behind the bush. And we were starting to walk down here. And when she was walking down, she kind of slid with the camera, and when she slid, she let out a yelp, and it startled them guys over there, the Bigfoot over there, and the little 4-foot one made a little sound, and she pointed the camera right over at it, and they was sitting there. We sat over on this side for about 5 minutes and just watched them. And then they finally got up and walked up over the backside, the other side of the bank. That's probably a time I'll never forget. That's probably why I keep coming back to this spot. Just to see if I can see them back down over there again. They're cracking up over there.
Right behind us.
Huh?
It's right behind us.
You think?
I heard walking.
With it raining and everything, Mike, today might be a good day to check the hole, the Bigfoot in the hole, and we can go up and check the maze.
Flashlights?
Yeah, I got flashlights.
Do you?
Yeah.
Look at that.
What?
It's like a little teepee.
Alright guys, we're down here in the ravine, and we're gonna go over here and sit down for a little bit and see if any sounds, anything rolls in on us, and then we'll kick it back on, and we'll start working our way over to the hole and check that first. So part 2 will be in the hole. Stay tuned, guys.